Now let's discuss glutamate. Understandably, glutamate has attained a key theoretical role in the hypothesized pathophysiology of schizophrenia, as well as in a number of other psychiatric disorders, including depression. Now is also a key target to novel psychopharmacological drugs. Now glutamate is the major excitatory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system and sometimes considered to be the master switch in the brain, since it can excite and turn on virtually all CNS neurons. Let's discuss glutamate synthesis. Now glutamate or glutamic acid is a neurotransmitter which is actually an amino acid. It is synthesized from glutamine in glia cells, which also assist in the recycling and regeneration of more glutamate. After it interacts with receptors in the synapse, it is taken up into the neighboring glia cells by a reuptake pump known as the excitatory amino acid transporter or EAT. After reuptake into glia, the glutamate is converted into glutamine by the enzyme known as glutamine synthetase. And the same process can be done by another transporter known as the alanine-serine cysteine transporter or ASC-T. Now this glutamine can again be released from the glia cells by a pump or transporter known as specific neutral amino acid transporter or SNAT. Therefore, when the SNATs and ASCTs operate in inward direction, they transport glutamine and other amino acids into glial or other neurons. But interestingly, they can also be reversed so that the glutamine can get out of the glia and hop a ride into a neuron via a different type of neuronal SNAT operating inwardly in a reuptake pump manner. And once inside the neuron, the glutamine is converted back into glutamate for use as neurotransmitter by an enzyme in mitochondria called the glutaminase, as is shown in the following diagram. The glutamate is then transported into synaptic vesicles via the V-glutes where it is stored. Once released, the glutamate's actions are stopped not by enzymatic breakdown, as is the case with other neurotransmitter systems, but by removal by EATs on neurons or glia.